In this video, I'm going to show you how to send blank messages on Facebook Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first you have to do is open up some browser. I'll use Safari. Here go to google.com and enter empty character in search bar and hit on search. Now open up the first site from that list. URL is emptycharacter.com, and there all you have to do is scroll down until you find method 1 copy with a button. Just hit on copy to clipboard, and now you can go back to Messenger, and here all you have to do is make a tap on text field and there hit on paste. Now send button becomes active, and if you hit on it you will send empty message to your recipient. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.